Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 18 Trigonometrical Ratios of Standard Angles exercise 18.1 question number 1 to 10 of this exercise. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. Now let us solve here exercise 18.1. We have to find the value in the first part of 7 sin 30 and cos 30. So if we put the value, this will be sin 30 into cos 60. We know the value of sin 30, it is half, and cos 60 is under root 3 by 2. So this part we can write 7 under root 3 divided by 4. So this is the answer of the first part. Now the second part is here 3 sin square 45 degree plus 2 cos square 60 degree. So if we write this part, we'll put the value of sine square 45, and we know sine 45 is 1 by under root 2. So 3 into 1 by under root 2 ka whole square plus 2 into cos square 60 will be under root 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ka whole square. So if we write this, this will be 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 4 by 2, it will be 2. So the final answer of the second part is 2. So this is the answer of first and second part. Let us solve your first third part. Cos square 45 plus sin square 60 plus sin square 30. So cos square 45 we can write 1 by under root 2 ka whole square plus sin square 60 will be under root 3 by 2 ka whole square plus sin square 30 will be 1 by 2 ka whole square. So this part we can write 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So we can take LCM as 4. So 2 plus 3 plus 1. So this will be 6 by 4, means final answer will be 3 by 2 is the answer of the third part. Now the fourth part here is cos 90 plus cos square 45 sin 30 degree and tan 45 degree. So we know the value of cos 90, which is 0. So 0 plus cos square 45, we can take 1 by under root 2 ka whole square into sin 30, which is half, tan 45 is 1. So this part we can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1, which is 1 by 4. So this is the answer of the fourth part here. Let us solve your question number 2 first part. Here we can write sin 45, we know this is 1 by under root 2, and cos 45 we know this is also 1 by under root 2. So I'll put the value here in this part. So this will be 1 by under root 2 ka whole square plus 1 by under root 2 ka whole square divided by tan square 60, and tan 60 is under root 3. So this will be whole square here. Here we can write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 3. So 1 by 3 is the final answer here in this question, because I'm taking LCM here, it will be 2 by 2, which is 1. So 1 by 3 is the final answer here in this question. Solve question number 2 second part. Sin 30, here we can write 1 by 2 minus sin 90, here 1 plus 2 cos 0 degree. So it will be 2 into 1, because cos 0 is 1. Upon tan 30 will be 1 by under root 3 into tan 60 will be under root 3. So this will be cancelled out, and we will get 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 plus 4 divided by 2 will be minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So this will be 3 by 2 is the final answer in the second part. Let's solve here question number 2 third part. Here it is 4 by 3 tan square 30. So tan square tan 30 we know this is 1 by under root 3. So tan square it is, so square of that. Then sin square 60, sin 60 we know 3 under root 3 by 2 ka whole square we can write minus 3 cos square 60. Cos 60 is again 1 by 2, so again whole square plus 3 by 4 tan square 60. Tan square 60 will be again under root 3 by 2 ka it is under root 3 ka whole square minus 2 tan square 40, so 2 into 1, because whole square of 1 will be 1. So we can write 4 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 into 3 on taking the square here minus 2. So this we can write 4 by 9 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 will be cancelled out, and here we will get again 9 by 4 minus 2. On taking LCM, we can write here 36. So this will be here 36 and 9 into 4, so 16 plus 4 into 9. So 9 into 4 will be again 36. 4 into, sorry, this will be 81 here minus 36. So it will be 36 into 2. 72 here. Means 81 minus 72 will be 9, and 16 plus 9 divided by 36. We can write 25 by 36. So this is the final answer here in this question. Means this is the answer of second, third part. Let's solve question number 3, first part. So on solving this, sin 60 is under root 3 by 2 we can write, divided by cos square 42. So 1 by under root 2 ka whole square minus 3 into 1 by under root 3 here, plus 5 into 0 because cos 90 is 0. So here it will be under root 3 by 2 into 2 minus under root 3 plus 0. So here we can write this will be cancelled out, and plus under root 3 minus under root 3 will also be cancelled out, means 0 is the answer in the first part here. Solve your question number third, second part, 2 under root 2 cos 45. So on solving this will be 2 under root cos 45 is 1 by under root 2 into cos 60 will be 1 by 2, plus 2 under root 3 sin 30 is 1 by 2 and tan 60 is 1 by under root, sorry, this is under root 3 here. Only under root 3 minus cos 0 will be 1. Here this will be cancelled out. This will be also cancelled out, means 1 plus here 2 will be cancelled out, and we will get 3 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out. So 3 is the answer of the third question, second part. So this is the solution of this question. Let us solve your question number third part, 4 by 5 tan square 60. So we can write 4 by 5 tan square 60 as under root 3 ka whole square minus 2 by sin square 30 will be 1 by 2 ka whole square minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 will be 1 by under root 3 ka whole square. So this part we can write here 4 by 5 into 3 on squaring minus 2 into 4 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. So this will be cancelled out, and we will get here 12 by 5 minus 8 minus 1 by 4. So here we will take LCM. So this will be 20. So 12 into 4 we can write 48 minus 160 minus 5. So here 48 minus 165, this will be 7 here, and 15 minus 111 minus of 117 divided by 20. So on writing it on fraction, we can write here minus 5 and 17 divided by 20. So this is the final answer of third question, third part. Solve here question number 4, first part. So here cos square 30 we can write under root 3 by 2 ka whole square plus sin 30 will be 1 by 2 here, and tan square 45 will be 1 square. So this is left hand side we are taking to prove. So here we can write 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. On taking LCM, this will be 4, 3 plus 2 plus 4. So 9 by 4 is the answer of LHS part. And RHS part we know here, on simplifying this fraction, here fraction is, sorry, this is 2 1 by 4. So on solving it, it is 9 by 4 only. So from here we can prove that LHS is equal to RHS, and this is only we have to prove in this question. So this is the solution of fourth first part. Let's solve question number 4, second part. Here we firstly will take the LHS part left hand side. So this will be 4, on putting the value sin ki power 4 30 degree. We know sin 30 is 1 by 2. So power 4 of 1 by 2 plus cos of 4 60 degree. This will be again 1 by 2 ki power 4. Again minus 3 cos square 45 will be 1 by under root 2 ka whole square minus sin square 90 will be 1 ka square. So on solving this part we can write 4 um, 1 by 16 here plus 1 by 16 minus 3, here we can write 1 by 2 minus 1. So this will be 4 into 2 divided by 16 minus 3. On taking LCM, this will be into minus 1 by 2 here we can write. So on solving this, this will be cancelled out by 4 and this will be cancelled out by 2. So 1 by 2 minus or plus 3 by 2. So this will be 4 by 2 here on taking LCM. So final answer is 2 here. Means the answer of this question is 2. So this is the solution of the fourth second part. And RHS part is 2 only. So because RHS part is given to us as 2 only, we can write LHS is equal to RHS, and this is only we have to prove in this question. Solve question number 4, third part. So on solving this part, we know in the left hand side cos 60 is given. So value of cos 60 we will write. This will be here 1 by 2. And if we write the RHS part, we can solve this part. So this will be cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree. So cos square 30 degree we can write under root 3 by 2 का whole square minus 1 by 2 का whole square. So which will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So this is only we have to prove, means LHS is equal to RHS. This is only we have to prove. So this is the solution of fourth third part. Let us solve here question number 5. If x is given to us as 30 degree, we have to verify that tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So if x is 30 degree given to us, we can write here the LHS part as it is tan 2x. So tan 2x here it will be tan 62 into 30, which will be tan 60 degree. So we know the value of tan 60 degree as under root 3. Now if we take the RHS part here, this on solving we will get 2 tan x here divided by 1 minus tan square x. So we'll put the value of x as 30 degree. So if we write this is tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So it will be 2 into 1 by under root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by under root 3 ka whole square, which will be 1 by 3. Where it will be 2 by under root 3 and 3 minus 1 will be 2 by under root 3. So on solving it, it will be 2 by under root 3 into 3 divided by 2. This will be cancel out. Again, this will be cancel out. This will be under root 3. So this is under root 3. So this is the final answer. Means here we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved from here that LHS is equal to RHS in the fifth question. Let us solve your question number 5, second part. If x is equal to 15 degree, verify that 4 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x is equal to 1. So here we can write 4 sin 2x cos 4x and sin 6x. We can write here the left hand part on solving. This will be 4 sin 2x will be sin 30 degree, cos 4x will be uh, 60 degree here, and sin 6x will be 90 degree here. So on writing it, this will be 4 into sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is under root or 1 by 2 only, and sin 90 is 1. So this will be cancel out here and we will get 1 in the LHS part. And this is only we have to prove that this is left hand side is equal to 1 from RHS side. So RHS is given to us here in this question 1. So from that we can write LHS is equal to RHS. This is only we have to prove, hence proved from here. Solve here question number 6, first part. So on writing this 1 minus cos square 30, we can write it as sin square 30, and 1 minus sin square 30 we can write cos square 30. So on writing it, we can write this as under root of tan square 30. So if we have taken the under root, it will be tan 30. And tan 30, we know that 1 by under root 3 is the answer in this question from this. So this is the answer of 6 first part. Let us solve your question number 6 second part here. So if we write this sin 45, we can write it as 1 by under root 2 into cos 45. This will be again 1 by under root 2 into cos 60. This will be 1 by 2. Again here 1 by under root 3 by 2 into cos 30 will be again under root 3 by 2 into tan 45 is 1. So here we can write this as 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 4 divided by 3. This will be cancelled out and we will get 1 by 3 as the answer in the question number 6 second part. Let us solve your question number 7 first part. So here we know if theta is 30 degree, we have to verify that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta and cos theta. So this will be in LHS part. If we write sine 2 theta will be 60 degree. So this will be equal to under root 3 by 2. Now the RHS part, if we write, this will be 2 sine theta cos theta. So if we put the values here, 2 into sine theta will be 30 degrees. So again 1 by 2 cos theta will be under root 3 by 2 because cos 30 degrees is under root 3 by 2. So this will be cancelled out and we will get under root 3 by 2 again. So from there we proved that LHS is equal to RHS here in this question, and this is only we have to verify in this question. Solve here question number 7 second part here. So this is cos 2 theta. Cos theta 2 theta we can write in LHS part as cos 2 theta will be cos 60 degree, which will be 1 by 2 here. If we take the RHS part, this will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this will be 2 cos square theta will be 30 degree cos 30 degree, means under root 3 by 2 ka whole square minus 1. So again 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1, this will be cancelled out. On taking LCM we will get 3 minus 2 divided by 2, which is 1 by 2. From here we written that LHS is equal to RHS, and this is only we have to prove in this question. Let's solve here question number 7 third part here. So if we write LHS part sine theta. So sine theta we can write it as 90 degree. So this will be equal to 1. And if we take the RHS part here, this will be 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cubic theta. So 3 sine theta we can write 3 sine 30 degree, which will be 1 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 ka whole cube. So 3 by 2 minus 4 by 8. This will be cancelled out and it will be 1 by 2 here. On taking LCM, we will get 3 minus 1 divided by 2 means 1 by 2 by 2, sorry, means 1 is the answer here in the RHS part. From there we proved here that LHS is also 1, RHS is also 1. So LHS is equal to RHS here. Hence proved from here. This is only we have to verify in this third part. Let's solve question number 7 fourth part. So here theta is given to us as 30 degree. So we can write in the LHS part cos 3 theta will be 90 degree here, which is equal to 0. So in RHS part we will have to compare here. So RHS part is 4 cos 3 30 degree, we can write minus 3 cos 30 degree. So this will be 4 into under root 3 by 2 ka whole cube minus 3 into cos 30 degrees under root 3 by 2. So we can write 4 into 3 under root 3 divided by 8 minus 3 under root 3 divided by 2. This will be cancelled out and we will get 3 under root 3 by 2 minus 3 under root 3 by 2 means 0 here. From there we proved that LHS is equal to RHS here, and this is we have to prove in this 7th fourth part. Solve your question number 8. If theta is 30 degree, then find the ratio of 2 sine theta divided by sine 2 theta. So if theta is 30 degree, so we can write 2 sine theta divided by sine 2 theta as 2 into sine 30 degree will be 1 by 2 divided by sine 2 theta, which is 60 degree. So we can put the value here again. This will be cancelled out, means 1 sine 60 will be under root 3 by 2. So this part we can write 2 by under root 3 as the answer of 8th question here. This is the ratio here, 2 by under root. Let us solve here question number 9. By means of an example, show that sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. So here we can take the example. A we will let as 30 degree and B we will let as 60 degree here. So if we write in the left hand side firstly, so this will be sin 30 degree plus 60 degree, which will be sin 90, which is equal to 1. If we take the RHS part here, this will be sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus sin 60 is under root 3 by 2. So on writing this will be 1 plus under root 3 divided by 2, which is not equal to 1. So we can write here LHS is not equal to RHS, and this is only we have to prove in this question. From there, sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. So this is the final solution of ninth question. Let's solve here question number 10 first part. If we write here, firstly we will take the LHS part. This will be sin A plus B means 60 degree plus 30 degree. So sin 90 degree we can write it as 1. And the RHS part we can write here. We have to prove that sin A and cos B. Sin A will be 60 degree. So sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree and sin 30 degree. Sin 60 degree will be under root 3 by 2 into cos 30 will be under root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 will be under root 3 by 2. Cos 60 will be, this will be 1 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. So here we can write 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 4 by 4. This is equal to 1. Hence proof from here that this LHS and RHS part are equal. LHS is equal to RHS, and this is only we have to prove in this question, hence verified here. Let us solve your question number 10 second part. If we write here left hand side, this we can write cos 60 degree plus 30 degree, which will be 90 degree, means cos 90 degree is equal to 0 here. And if we take the RHS part here, so this will be cos A will be 60 degree here, then cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree, then sin 30 degree. So cos 60 degree will be 1 by 2 into cos 30 degree under root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 degree will be under root 3 by 2 into sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So here we can write under root 3 by 4 minus under root 3 by 4. This will be cancelled out. We will get 0. From there we can prove that LHS is equal to RHS, and this is only we have to verify in this question, hence proved. Let us solve your question number 10. If A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree, then verify that sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So if we take the LHS part left hand side, we can write sin A minus B as 60 minus 30, which will be 30 degree. So this is 1 by 2 here. And if we take the RHS part here, this we have to prove as sin 60 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree and sin 30 degree. So sin 60 we can write, this will be under root 3 by 2 into cos 30 will be 1 by 2, under root 3 by 2 again, then minus cos 60 as under root 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So here we can write 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which will be 2 by 4. So 1 by 2 is the answer of RHS part, and this is only we have to prove in this question. So here LHS is equal to RHS. We have proved here, hence verified in the third part also. Solve here question number 10 fourth part. So here if we take the LHS part, this will be tan A minus B 60 minus 30. So we can write tan 30 degree as 1 by under root 3. And if we take the RHS part here, this will be tan A means tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 60 degree and tan 30 degree. So this we have to verify here. So tan 60 we can write it as under root 3 minus 1 by under root 3 divided by 1 plus under root 3 into 1 by under root 3. This will be cancelled out, and we will get here on taking LCM. So under root 3, and here also 3 minus 1 into 1 by 2, because 1 plus 1 will be 2 here, and if we simplify it, this will be 2 by under root 3 into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled out, and 1 by under root 3 is the answer here. So from there we proved that LHS is also 1 by under root 3 and RHS is also 1 by under root 3. So LHS is equal to RHS here, and this is only we have to verify in the 10th fourth part. This is the last part of 10th question. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.